Yes, it's here. The Sabertooth Z77 motherboard. And we got it in last week. This is Wafer Snack. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll have way more on this and other cool things that we get. And gaming and music and whatever and stupid videos. Anyway, this motherboard has all the different things that will have a new blog about or whatever. Okay. Anyway, this motherboard is really nice and very nice. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I'm speechless. It's just so very nice. Look at all this. Yep. Okay, what does this have, Dirk? What all does this do? You have to look at it. Has thermal armor. What does that mean? That means that the board itself has has fans built into the board. Oh my gosh. Inside the board. That's pretty intense for something that, well. Okay, well, we'll do more commentary on this. After a while, I'll just post this, and just please subscribe to my channel. I have all kinds of cool stuff and things to talk about and stuff like that. And I know this is very boring and this doesn't make any sense. And normally my stuff is funny, and that I just woke up and I'm in shock of this board. Okay, well, have a great day and please subscribe.